now, and that's the Chief Prosecutor at the ICC, Bwana Karim Khan. It's interesting that he is present at today's event.
Definitely looking forward to see what brings him to that event and to find out about that Kipi TV 47.
That is actually in the country right now.
Yes.
Karim Khan is a familiar face to most Kenyans who are following the ICC cases from 10 years ago that involved the current president and his predecessor, Uhuru Kenyatta. He was a lawyer in one of the cases, and now he's here in his capacity. He was elected as prosecutor of the International Criminal Court at the 19th session of the Assembly of State Parties to the Rome Statute in New York in June of 2021. So this is his second year as the prosecutor of the ICC.
I can also see he has been a King's Counsel since 2011. He's also bench of Lincoln's Inn and has appointed a record of the Crown Court in 2018. Really holds and has some lucrative hats on him.
Well, yes, the appointments, and you look at his CV and it's really impressive. Yes. He was awarded Criminal Lawyer of the Year, Society of Asian Lawyers in 2017 in UK. He's a visiting professor, international law and human rights, Fura Bay College, University of Sierra Leone, senior research fellow, King's College in London, honorary lecturer, School of Law, University of Utrecht. He was awarded 1999 John D. and Catherine MacArthur Foundation Fellowship on International Peace and Security, and it goes on and on and on. Yeah. The list of accolades for Karim Khan.
He's built quite a reputation.
Yes.
Also, they say here for his community outreach work that undertakes in support for social emancipation through education, as well as a fight against terrorism.
He's a barrister of more than 30 years.
Interesting.
I wonder how his CV looks like.
Like a whole bulk of it. But then I'm curious though, and Fred and Flora, I'd really want to hear him speak about matters of independence of the judiciary also, that we should really have this independence of the judiciary that we have. I mean, about 9 or so months in the Kenya Kwanza administration, what he'd really say about it.
And now that we've seen he's in Kenya.
Yeah.
And we know where exactly he is.
Yeah.
We'll try and talk him down for an interview.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Because there are talks going on about even ICC here and there, but it's definitely a conversation for another day that you would be the right person to speak to concerning that.
Okay. If probably Azimio Lomoja insisting, and you did see this, insisting that they're going to write to the ICC on matters, the conduct of the police during demonstrations, if this is just a band-aid, and if it would really work.
Yes, just some of the familiar faces and some of the notable figures attending the 23rd graduation ceremony of the Mount Kenya University happening right now at the Thika campus. And as mentioned, we've just seen Karim Khan, the ICC Chief Prosecutor, the chief guest at today's event, the Honorable Speaker of the National Assembly, Moses Wetangula, and just to look at the University's Council, we have the chairperson, Dr. Stephen Agong Gaya, is the chairman of the University Council, MKU. The Vice Chancellor of the Mount Kenya University is Professor Deogratius Jaganyi. The Vice Chairperson, University Council, is Dr. Vincent Gaidho. Other members of the Council are Professor Stanley Waudo, Dr. Felix Kiruthu, Dr. Esther Getambu, Commissioner Dr. Mary Gaturu, Dr. Jonah Ayabei, Dr. Ken Ramani, Dr. Thomas Nganga, Commissioner Njoki Kahiga, and Mary Olubai, and that makes up the University Council of the Mount Kenya University.
I actually have the program here, and I can see about 9 a.m. To about 9:30, the procession of the graduates is there. But again, from around 7 a.m., Andrin Clem and Linda Lela are telling me the graduates had already arrived. Really goes to speak on how committed and how they really wanted to be there. You can see about 9:50 a.m. the Chancellor's academic procession assembles. So this informs of the Principal Graduate Studies and Research and all that. And about 10 a.m., 40 minutes from now, the Chancellor's procession enters the graduation square and takes sitting at the pavilion. So about 10:15 there, we'd be seeing, pardon me, the national anthem, the East African anthem, and the MKU anthem being, sung. I'm curious how the MKU anthem is, by the way.
It's somewhere there in the program. I've seen it.
All right.
Yeah.
I really have to peruse it and see how it is. And about 10:40 a.m., the Vice Chancellor declares Assembly a congregation of the 22nd graduation ceremony of Mount Kenya. Okay, and some entertainment about 10:45, though we've already seen, some entertainment beginning. About 11 a.m., the speeches will begin from alumni representatives, the Vice Chancellor, the Chairman of the University Council, the Chairman of the Board of Directors, the Chief Guest, and also the Chancellor. That is, I don't know, Flora, if you have more pages in the program.
Okay, let me see.
As Flora looks for that,